Our book is called Red Eyes or Blue Feathers, a book about animal colors. Written by Patricia M. Stockland, illustrated by Todd Orrin. All right, this is going to be a really cool book about lots of different animals and how they use camouflage to blend in with their surroundings to help them survive. All right, let's get started. Red Eyes or Blue Feathers, a book about animal colors. Color adaptations. What's the best way to survive in the wild? Adaptation. Color is one way to adapt. So, how does an animal's color help it survive? Some animals have colors that help them hide from hungry predators. Those are animals that want to eat them. Other animals use their color to keep from being seen while they hunt. Colors even help animals find mates or talk to each other. Read on to find out why some animals have such clever colors. Red-eyed tree frog. Bright red eyes shine in the night. The red-eyed tree frog is wide awake. During the day, this tiny frog hides its bright colors by closing its eyes and tucking up its legs. The red-eyed tree frog's shiny green back blends in with the trees. Predators think the little frog is a leaf. Polar bear. White fur surrounds a shiny black nose. A polar bear slowly lumbers across the snow. The polar bear's snow-colored coat blends in with the Arctic tundra. Its favorite treat is seal blubber. As the bear sits on the edge of the ice, a seal comes up for air. The seal doesn't see the giant paw grabbing for it. Grrr! Red fox. Rusty-colored fur rustles through the woods. A red fox follows a scent. That means he smells something. This small fox finds food in many places. Its red coat and dark tail help it blend in with plants and trees. Neither predator nor prey can see the sly fox. Being able to hide so well helps this animal live and survive in many different places. Seahorse. Yellow, green, and brown seaweed swishes in the shallow sea. A small seahorse swishes in the seaweed too. The seahorse is a slow swimmer. Its yellow-brown armor, that's that around him, as he has very tough kind of skin to help protect him, helps it blend in with the seaweed. Larger fish can't see the seahorse hiding. Killer whale. A huge black and white animal glides through the water. The killer whale is ready to attack. This ocean mammal is a smart hunter. Black and white markings help this large animal hide. From below, its white belly looks like sunlight. From above, its black back becomes part of the ocean's shadows. Macaw. Red, blue, yellow, and green feathers float in the air. A colorful macaw lands in the trees. Macaws are some of the brightest birds around. The fancy colors fit well in their rainforest homes. These bold colors help the parrots blend into their surroundings. Black rhinoceros. A big, booming tank stomps down the hill. The black rhino is on its way to the watering hole. This giant creature isn't really black. It's actually gray. Rhinos like to cool off by getting dirty, but the mud also makes them look darker. A nice mud bath makes the hot African sun easier to handle. Jewel beetle. A shiny blue and gold shell shimmers in the sun. A jewel beetle sparkles on a flower. This bright beetle looks pretty enough to wear, but don't be fooled. It uses the dazzling color as a disguise. Predators think this tasty creature is part of the plant. Chameleon. Green skin turns yellow and then turns to red instead. The changing chameleon rests on a rock. A chameleon's shade changes depending on its mood and temperature. It uses this clever color code to show how it feels. Color is one way chameleons communicate. Now, on this page, the author is asking you 3 questions. They want to know, do you remember? It says point to the picture of the animal described in each question. I'll read the question and you can point to the animal. So here's the first one. Number 1. The dried mud on my skin makes me look black. This baked on color helps keep me cool. Who am I? Did you point to the rhino? Excellent. Here's number 2. My black and white colors help me hunt in the ocean. With this disguise, my prey can't see me. Who am I? Did you point to the killer whale? Excellent. Okay, last one. My bright green back looks just like a leaf. This color hides me during the day while I sleep. Who am I? Did you point to the red-eyed tree frog? Excellent. Nice job.